Active Directory continues to be as relevant today as it was 20 years ago, and is a primary attack vector for adversaries. As the cornerstone of your network, Active Directory controls user access to business-critical applications and resources as businesses extend their directories to the cloud. With Entra ID and hybrid AD environment, it's only grown. So ensuring your Active Directory and Entra ID estates are protected from all disasters is critical. Introducing Commvault Cloud Backup and Recovery for Active Directory. You can seamlessly protect Active Directory from data loss and threats with a simple SaaS delivery, meaning no hassle deployment, no backup infrastructure to manage, and automatic updates. When vital data in Active Directory is deleted, changed, or corrupted, it's important to be able to restore it as quickly as possible to minimize downtime and business disruption. When disaster strikes, you're often unaware of the full scope of the problem that is impacting your users. Is the problem with Entra ID or possibly on-premises Active Directory data? Commvault Cloud protects Active Directory and Entra ID from a single solution. To make an informed decision on what objects need to be restored, it's necessary to have a complete view of all recent changes that have taken place in AD. Commvault Cloud allows you to easily compare portions of or the entirety of your AD domain. Comparison reports are created and stored so you can review and discover changes at any time. Compare the changes between 2 points in time or compare and choose to back up to your live Active Directory to confirm you're restoring from the appropriate backup. It's easy to search for specific objects of locations to find the lost data. Attribute filters allow you to narrow results to specific objects like group policy objects. Most importantly, comparisons are not just static reports, they're interactive. So you can restore objects directly from the report, accelerating your recovery and minimizing downtime and user disruption. Some disasters don't result in deleted objects. For instance, a poorly written PowerShell script could unexpectedly overwrite attribute data across hundreds of objects throughout your directory. The second view here gives an attribute-focused presentation to changes so you can quickly locate specific attributes and roll them back across as many objects in AD as necessary. Commvault Cloud protects all your most critical Active Directory objects, including users, groups, OUs, configuration, and group policies, including their settings and links. And from the same solution, you can also verify your vital Entra ID data, including users, app registrations, and conditional access policies that can be recovered in case of inadvertent changes or malicious attack. Backup and recovery for Active Directory gives you complete visibility into all changes to your Active Directory and Entra ID estates, so you can quickly recover from any disaster you may encounter. To see more, create your own free 30-day account today or request a demo from our team.